camel from there. This doesn't. Those don't. Those are yes. This is a pronghorn that's from there.
Wow.
You see it says Pemberton Hill on there?
Yes.
Now there was another one, another locality down there that Slaughter called Moor Pit, and there were big publications on the Moor Pit fauna. So you can see this is a tapir, you know, South American, they're living in South America now. And you can see some alligator, and what do we have here? Deer and rodents. There's another deer right there. So all of this is Moor Pit kind of stuff.
Okay.
So here you see horse.
But it's in sort of the same vicinity of.
Yeah, it's right down there. But they're all gone.
Wow.
And if we step right over here, I'm going to show you.
Saber-toothed cat somewhere.
I'm going to show it to you. That's over here because it's a type specimen.
So these existed.
They're not really as well dated as you want them to be, but you usually say around 500,000. That should be improved with some of the work.
500,000. Okay.
Some of the work that's going on here. Who's from?
I can't imagine that. 500,000.
Who's from Cedar Hill? Anybody from Cedar Hill? Have you ever seen the?
I've been there.
Have you seen the plesiosaur skull from Cedar Hill?
No. I haven't seen it.
This was Diana. Do we have laying around anywhere? Do we have a copy of Cretaceous Airport? Oh God, there's just so much good stuff. You know these flying.
I think I see.
You know these flying reptiles, these pterosaurs?
Yeah.
This is the lower jaw of one.
Oh my
This is from the Eagle Ford Formation. That's a new genus and species.
Really?
Isn't that something? And the good thing is, we just got the upper jaw of this. This is the lower jaw. We just got the upper jaw.
From the same area?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fabulous.
Pretty good, huh?
A whole new species. That's great.
Genus and species.
Oh my gosh. So what would be the wingspan on this one? Based on the size of the skull?
It would be, you know, you're talking on the order of a couple of 3 meters. It's a big animal.
How many, you know, like I always think of, you know, the pterosaurs as, you know, certainly the predecessors to our birds of today. But were there as many different species of those as there are birds today, or
you know where you
more
get the
limited?
most variety of pterosaurs of that age in all of North America? Here.
Really?
Dallas.
In Dallas?
Dallas. Well, Dallas,
I
Fort
was
Worth
going to
area.
guess Big Bend.
No. You got Quetzalcoatlus there.
Okay.
But you got that one, that's new.
Uh-huh.
This is a new kind right here, new genus. That's
Oh my
that's the
gosh.
wing. This was a new one. This is upper jaw. This is the upper jaw, and this had a big crest. And when I told you on that other one that we just got the upper jaw, the reason that that was good is because it tells us whether or not it had a crest, and it didn't. So, now isn't that interesting?
It is.
Now let me get sidetracked.
Gee.
I still haven't
How
told
can
you
you
about
help
that.
not get sidetracked?
That's the problem, right
Yes.
there.
It's just like, oh my gosh, there's so much.
Like going under the web and, you know.
See, I miss this. I miss it so much.
This is the arm bone of another pterosaur new genus.
Huh.
So you're not going to let that secret out where in Dallas, huh?
It's
Anywhere you look,
yeah,
basically?
anywhere you look down, you can find something. Just call us when you do. This is the lower jaw of saber-toothed tiger
There it
from the
is.
Trinity.
There it is.
So what happens is they have a small lower canine, and the large upper canine goes right down along here.
Slots right next to it.
Right.
Yeah.
So this was named a new subspecies or species by Slaughter.
So that came out of where exactly?
Over by, it might be Moor Pit, it might be Pemberton Hill. Pemberton Hill. So that's just down the corner, just
that
down from the
picture,
spring.
Paul.
I just wanted,
Did
yeah,
you
that's
get it?
cool.
Do you
So-
want
well, yeah, I got a picture of that. You mind if I get a picture of this
The label?
label right there? Sure, if you don't mind.
Isn't this just
Thank you.
so much history? See, this is where I
These
would
are all
like to
new
see
from,
things go.
That's a new part, and that was named by the Yale folks. The Yale folks collected it. Richard Swan below.
But the pronghorn is unique, you would know that. Yes,
Why would you know that?
his background.
Smart.
What's your background?
Just wildlife biology.
Same as me, so yes.
This was found at Cedar Hill, and that's the skull of a plesiosaur. That's what they designed the Loch Ness Monster after. But that's an amazing skull.
That is,
That's out of the Eagle
to have
Cliff.
that much.
And that's just southwest of Dallas, Cedar Hill.
Just down 45. Isn't that 45?
67.
35? 45?
35 to 67 is the way I go.
To Cedar Hill?
Yeah, you can go that way.
35,
67.
35,
right on
67 here.